Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kirill, and today I wanted to recap on the Safelite AutoGlass video. It's the most popular video on my channel by far at this time, and I'm really impressed at how many people watched it and how many people commented on this video. This is one of the most amazing things to see in the morning when you find out that there's somebody commented on the video and took their time of the day to watch it and actually share some thoughts about it. I wanted to give you additional information about the situation that happened because I think, based on the comments, a lot of people are asking whether it was out of pocket or insurance, and it went so far that somebody assumed that this was done on insurance, and they left a comment under the video. So much false information. If you go through insurance, they choose OEM glass or aftermarket, not Safelite, lol. They would use OEM every time if they could, because it's typically double the cost of aftermarket parts. Take this garbage video down, dude. And 4 brown emojis. This overly emotional comment made me want to respond and actually let everybody know that I did pay out of pocket for the glass, and the amount I paid, which is close to $270, it's definitely very cheap, but I was told multiple times by Safelite people that that amount would have included any aftermarket windshield of choice, which would have included either Fuyao or Pilkington at this point. There probably are some other brands that I didn't know about, but basically the reason why I went with Pilkington is because I literally went on the lot at the dealership while my car was getting an oil change, and I took a look at all those windshields, and I found out that the original windshield was also branded with Pilkington as well. So I figured the company that manufactures the windshield for your car, even if they don't produce the original official windshield with your automaker's name on it, but still carry their name, still make a way better windshield than some company that have never produced the windshield for that car to begin with. What we can do is we can probably go into Safelite website and find out how much it costs and whether Safelite itself gives us any choice. Okay, Safelite will fix it right, guaranteed. Fix broken glass. Let's pick this Volvo.
A few moments later.
Continue. Windshield. Okay. Does your windshield have a rosy tint and the reflective finish? No. No idea what that means. Rain sensing, yes. Continue. Let's see, is it going to give us any options for the type of glass? Let's enter the Seattle zip code and let's choose pay on your own. Let's do the gate to quote. $399.99. Well, and it offers to enter a promo code. Definitely says nothing about the types of windshield, and just to reiterate that this is the price. They definitely seem to have raised this price compared to the last time I went there. But this price covers the windshield of your choice, which is always going to be off-brand. It's not going to be branded with your car manufacturer, but they do let you choose. And what they're doing there is they can choose themselves for you if you don't want to choose. But once you have a certain windshield on your car, you'll be stuck with that unless you're going to warranty it out. So it's extremely important super important that you choose the windshield wisely. And what I do recommend you to do is to take a look at the original windshield on a car like yours, if your windshield was not original to begin with when you started owning that car, and tell them that you want to get that brand. So to recoup, always remember that your car repair is in your hands. You can always ask Safelite to provide you the right windshield for your car. Just do your research, find out what you need to tell them, and you'll get something you're going to be very happy with. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this update. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because you're going to be seeing more videos like this. They're going to be super informative. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.